Alright, Beso del Mar. Changing faces. We've been progressing pretty well. Progressing really well. Just had a great ride over from the big rock. Really smooth. It's actually been getting a little bit of rain. It's kind of nice. Cut down some of the dust. As you can tell, we've made some really good advancements. This unit right here depicts the shed water systems. So we're going to be putting palapa over that. We've used, it's known as guapinol or jatoba, excuse me, more commonly known in the States as Brazilian cherry, to frame out the shed waters. And our suffix, fascias, ceilings, that's all Ipe, baby. All Ipe. ¿Estás, Javier? Hey, vos. Alright. Got the restaurant coming up over here, baby. Looks good. Wow. That's going to be the view from the restaurant, of course. Absolutely incredible. What's going on, fellas? All right. Looks good, Oren. Let me get a picture of make you famous. Oren Forbes, our construction manager, and his son. Looks really good, man. Beso del Mar, future site right here, the restaurant. Absolutely amazing. 8x8. What are those, by 16.5? Nancy Tone uprights. Going with random width, 7 to 14 inch wide plank, Frijolillo flooring. It's going to be quite stunning. Decking system coming around here. More units on this side over here. And I'll catch back in momentarily.